Good morning. Welcome to Laguna Classic Cars. My name is Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this gorgeous 1978 Volkswagen Beetle Cabriolet. What you need to know about this car is it's a two-owner car, purchased new in Newport Beach at Chick Iverson Porsche Audi Volkswagen. The dealership is somewhat of an icon in the collector Volkswagen Porsche world. This car is super clean. Two owners, so the consignor bought it from the son of the original owner, so we're calling that two-owner. It was refurbished about 5 years ago completely and really well done. It looks like all new carpet, all new upholstery. And it was refurbished for the original owner. She loved the car, but she passed away soon after the refurbishment was completed. Her son had it a few years, and then he sold it. So it has an updated Pioneer CD sound system. It's a 4-speed. These are fuel injected, which is kind of the best of all worlds in that it's the old Bug, but with modern technology. And it is very, very nice car. It's original motor, fuel injected. Very nice condition. The top I have photos of up. It's in brand new condition as well. Carpeting, the floors, perfect. Here are receipts. Recent service. It had a lot of service done in preparation for the sale. Oil, tune-up, replacing some boots, rubber suspension pieces, just the normal stuff. But you can see, really nice shape car. Very nice, very Sano. So we're going to go for a quick around the block test drive. Everything on the car works. It's a clean California title, current smog. Super nice car. Fires right up. 4-speed. Super nice car.
Back there in the far corner.
Shift's perfect. Speedometer, all the gauges work. So I'm assuming the mileage, the odometer says 1308, so I'm thinking 100,000, 1307, I'm sorry. It drives out absolutely perfect. Tires are newer. Shifts perfect. So we're in fourth gear. I did it just to show you. So we'll do a U-turn here. These don't have power steering, but they're so damn light, it feels like you do have power steering. Fuse panels right there. It's not perfect, but it's very, very good. The clutch feels absolutely perfect. And you know, the gearing in this is very tall, so it's definitely a freeway cruiser. Very nice, very comfortable drive. Great car. Let me know if you have any questions. It's a clear California title, current smog. Thank you very much.